Now, people, this video is a remake of the video I just put out because YouTube put a age restriction on it. But I did say I am going to talk about this again. So this video here is the clean version. And if you want to check out the raw fight with them Sketel bomb girl there, just go to the one that's restricted for 18-year-old. But this one is the clean version, and I hope the police commissioner of St. Lucia go to them girl there and arrest them. Alright? Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
To all of the massive, I man set an example. God, the massive impossible. Jada man me quick and me full of lyric. And you looking at me basket, you know me have it.
No, Mr. God, the Honorable Police Chief of the Royal St. Lucia Police, St. Lucia the Island. Now, put this in your basket and look at them young ladies. And I want to know, as a police commissioner, and you see something like that, wouldn't it be pertinent for you to direct your officers to go and investigate and make sure those girls who's beating up the defenseless young lady be charged with assault? Wouldn't that be pertinent? So that's what I'm asking you to do on this one. You understand? Let's go, cause I'm real upset.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern the worldwide. Countryman, some of them boys, they have them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead grass clad, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass the front up, look less so you seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this are no seaweed. How man a touch them up, for free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from body them ban. Harry breed them no in a mile and check it as you see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder.
I see a video floating around, and it is a very disgusting video. As a matter of fact, the video is playing right there in the background. A bunch of girls in a them brassiere and them a beat up another young lady. And when I see it, I say them girl there are some little dirty Sketel bomb them. And what they're doing, they're attacking a young lady who is helpless, defenseless, and the lady is not even fighting. Then you have this like a stinking mouth boy, one little pussy there, and in my videotape you can see him shadow in the video. Listen, when me see this, I was so disgusted, and I put it out and I want the police them arrest the girl them where assault the young lady. So that's why me I put out that video, and me I go talk about them little dirty stinking pussy girl there. If you look at this video, there is the girl in the bra and the jean shorts, and I'm gonna put her picture up. I'm asking the police them in St. Lucia to please do the investigation, because when I thought I was living and other people was living, them gals look like them damn crutches stink and no man no want them. And it seems like the young lady there fights a lot better than them. But what they're doing now, they're picking on the man persona. That's the worst thing a woman can do, in my eyes, is act like a man. When a woman act like a man, for a lesbian. But put fun and joke aside, the reason why me highlight this video is because I feel like there's a vicious assault on a young lady in public, and it's on video. And the video is floating around. And the police in St. Lucia is not making any headways or anything. If this was Jamaica or Barbados or other country, US or whatnot, say the police them would have make headways into the investigation. So yo B, me I call up on them police, yeah. Really go pick up them gyal because that is proven assault. Now, when I look on this video, and I'm saying to myself, that should have been my daughter. Cause if that was my daughter, you know what me would have do? Wouldn't do nothing. Because guess what? It's my daughter would have kicked the whole of them blood clot Sketel gal ass. Yo, it's my daughter is a mad blood clot woman. And that me I tell you now. You think them could have stepped to my daughter like that? Eh? You know how much girl my daughter beat up? Eh? My daughter is a straight warboat. You understand? And this is just one time. I wish if my daughter was there to show her how to do it. Should have kicked them two dirty girl ass. You understand? And run them. And adapt me, I tell you, about my daughter. Now, with that said, me, I go round this up. But, a big but, me need them two Sketel bomb there. Them two Sketel, I want them charge. I need the police to look into this. And I am not gonna stop talking about it. Just like me not gonna stop talking about certain cases. Cause you know me not stop talking about Riley. And me not gonna stop talking about the girl Nikki. And couple other things and couple other cases. Now, before I go, there was a shipment of gun, where the police them find. And I am hearing through the grapevine that somebody that I talked about and they went on TV saying that they're not doing anything, I hear they're involved with that. And I'm gonna dig up that one and make gonna have it. So, Mr. TV personality, you know who me I talk. Me have something for you. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.